In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VCam with some simple steps. Join our Facebook group, Neighborhood Animators. Let's start with creating a new layer in the timeline. I create the new layer, just rename the new layer as VCam, right? Then go to the tools panel, click the rectangle tool, and set the stroke color to black or red or whichever color is vibrant, and set the fill color to 0 alpha, right? Because the alpha is 0, you cannot see any colors there, so you don't worry about the colors. Just make it the fill color as 0 alpha, that is transparent. Now draw a rectangle in the new layer. I'm just going to draw a rectangle, right? Click and drag, right? It's no need to be accurate as the stage is. You can change the width and height of this rectangle in the tools panel. You don't have to worry about that. Just click the VCam layer, then you can find the properties, right? Make sure the rectangle tool is selected and go to the properties panel. There you can adjust the width and height of the, that means what is that? The virtual camera. I normally use 120, what is it, the ratio 1280 cross 720. That is the default dimension I have used normally. So I'm going to set the width to 1280 and the height to 720, right? Okay, then the width and height is good, and now what we are going to do is convert this rectangle into a movie clip. All you have to do is press F8, name the symbol as V-cam, and the type should be a movie clip. Remember this, the type should be movie clip, right? Then click OK. Now by clicking the selection tool, double click that VCam, that is what the VCam, that movie clip, and go to the layers in the movie clip timeline, right? Right click, go to actions. Now we are going to paste the ActionScript code here. I have the script in my Word document, that means Notepad document separately. I just well, you can see this code in my description. Go and find it below. Okay, I just copy these codes, Control A, Control C, and go to Animate CC. Paste these codes in this action panel, right? And after doing everything right, close the window. Okay, after copy these actions in the layer, you can find there is a small white dot, that small circle in the layers, which indicates that there is an action in this layer. Now go back to the main timeline, that is the scene 1. In most of the cases, by doing these things are enough, but sometimes if you encounter an error, let me check out what happened to mine, right? Control Enter. It will take some time. Yeah, there is an error here. Look, you see there is an error in this. So we have to fix this. The solution is just simple. Just go to your timeline and enable the advanced layer options. That's it. Your problem is fixed. Test it once again. No, wow, it's fixed, right? Now you can use this virtual camera, that is the VCam, as your default camera. See, I just upload this video because Animate CC already has a default camera, but sometimes some time. You are bombarded with the problems and errors that is raised while you converting the SWF file into MP4 by using Shivel, right? In those cases, the problem is mainly because of the camera, default camera present in the Animate CC. That is why I using virtual camera and suggesting you guys to use a virtual camera if you encounter the problem while converting the SWF file into MP4 file using Shivel, right? Just make use of it, right? And another one important thing, if you want to use zoom in zoom out action, just click the vcam. You can scale down, actually, oh sorry, you can scale down the vcam layer, but hold the shift while scaling down. If you scale down without holding the shift button, the ratio may collapse, right? Just be aware of it. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. Just make use out of it. If you don't scaling down,